Everyone, in this video we are going to see how to send fake mails. This can be used for prank mails. So for that, first of all we have to open internet browser. Okay, so here I have logged in my Gmail account, so we can verify the fake mailer website. First of all, I will open new tab. After opening new tab, you have to search fake mailer in your search box. Okay, after loading your results, you can see here there are lots of websites which offer fake mailing services. There are lots of websites. I prefer first one. You can see here. So click on that website. Okay, after loading this website, you can see here there are boxes available here. So first of all, it asks for from name, means sender name. Here I will type something Don something. Okay, I have written Don. Now I have to assign a mail ID from which the mail has been received. For that I will write Don at the rate something gmail.com. Okay, now we have to write here recipient email address. I will write mine. Okay, I have wrote my email address. So you have to write here sorry, in subject you have to write your subject. This is demo also. I will write demo mail. You can also attach attachment file. Right now I don't want to attach any kind of attachment file. Okay, here you can write your message. Like this, you can write anything. In advanced setting you can find other options, such as if you send a mail from your any fake ID and the person who receives mail replies to your mail, then that reply should be come to that reply should be uh, if you want to read that reply, then it should be come to any mail ID. So here you can write that mail ID, so you can get that mail to your personal mail ID. Then you can write all this, fill all this information, so you can receive that mail. One more important thing in this website is that you can schedule your email, so that you can set the date and time, and at that time and date the mail will be sent to the recipient. After filling all above information, finally you have to click on send. If you get this kind of error, then please click on send mail once again. Okay, okay, we have the email is sent successfully. Okay, we will check in our inbox now. Okay, I will refresh this one. Okay, so we have received this mail, so I will click on this. As you can see, we have received this mail from Don, and the email id is don@gmail.com. Okay, and this is demo mail. This is the subject which we have written. So how can you get to know that you if you receive such kind of email, then that is fake or real one? So for that, first of all, you can see three dots over here. This is more option. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will find a option like show original. Click on that. After opening this scripts, you can see here the received from localhost. This is the website name and this is the website's IP address. So, and the recipient's email ID is given over here. So by using this option, you can verify that this is fake mail or original one. Thank you.